Welcome to Watchout. Today I'll show you how to retrieve a view once image on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch till the end. You don't want to miss this. These are free libraries. MoviePy will write the final MP4. OpenCV does the perspective warp. Decide the folder to watch. Set watch_folder. On Windows WhatsApp Desktop you might find images in a folder you manually save to. WhatsApp Desktop doesn't expose a universal incoming folder like mobile. So point watch_folder to wherever your images land, e.g. C users, you, downloads, WhatsApp images. This script sets everything up to simulate retrieving a WhatsApp view once image. We import tools like Pillow, OpenCV, and MoviePy to edit images and turn them into a short video. Here, input_image is the picture we want to retrieve, and output_video is the final MP4 file. Finally, font_path lets us add custom text styling. Altogether, these settings prepare the effect of bringing back a once viewed image. And that's how you can simulate retrieving a view once image on WhatsApp using Python. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this trick, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Watchout, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next hack. The full Python code is waiting for you in the comment section, so check it out, try it yourself, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.